I'm making a short video to demonstrate this vintage Karl Griesbaum double singing bird cage. Classic German Karl Griesbaum red and yellow birds. This bird cage has been fully serviced, so it works exactly as it should. The birds are in excellent condition. Let's hear it play. We're going to start off on the pause feature, which is the first setting. So all singing bird cages have a pause feature. And if the pause feature does not work, that indicates that there's an issue with the mechanical movement. Nice long pause. I'm going to move it to the continuous setting. The birds sing with full voice, hitting all the proper oscillating notes, yet the movement runs smooth and quiet. It's a wonderful example. Everything's 100% mechanical. Turn it off. So in summary, a vintage, and this would have been crafted in the 1960s, Karl Griesbaum double singing bird cage. It's been fully serviced, which will offer another generation of worry-free smiles. Take care.